On a heating job here, the water top up is running fully, as you can see, into the system, and it isn't pressurising up, which means there's a big leak. The pipework comes from this garage where the boiler is and goes to the house in separate ducts, not the quack quack type. So let's get it. So the pipes run from here under the grass into the basement of the house, which is about around here somewhere. So a quick check inside to inspect the system. There's a rocking horse, and there's a dog the size of a horse. He's bloody massive. He's a bit cautious, but I would be as well with a stranger in the house. So all the pipework feeding the radiators are mainly drop downs. This means the pipework comes down from above. If there was a leak in this area, you would certainly see evidence of the leak. And because the pipes drop down, I bet all these rads are full of water. Yep, there we go. I went down into the basement where the customer explained water was pouring out one of the ducts from the boiler. This started happening a day before my arrival. I think that's our leak, don't you? Don't worry, I'm not flooding the basement. There's a sump pump that pumps the water up through a waste pipe into a drain above ground. So the best option here is to put a new pipe through the duct and replace the section that's leaking. So expose the other end of the duct. Just pulled the old pipe out, which had fittings every 3 metres. This one's covered in mud. With pipework in a duct, it's always best to run a continuous length of pipe, because if a fitting fails, it's a nightmare if you can't pull the whole pipe out. This time I was able to remove the pipe, both ends. And there's the leak. The fitting has failed and blown apart. So a new pipe was pulled through, and then the heating maintained pressure, confirming no further leaks. So I filled the heating back up, then took a short break while the radiators were getting to temperature. Joker. I went round with a thermal imaging camera to make sure everything is getting to temperature. Another happy customer. Job's a good one. If you have a leak, let's get it.